Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Acorn turret grounded. First, select a strategic location for your turret. It needs a flat, stable surface, like a foundation or a large rock, to be placed correctly. Make sure the area around it is clear, allowing for a wide field of fire. Consider placing it near vulnerable points of your base, such as entrances or resource nodes, to maximize its defensive impact. Next, you'll need to power your turret. Connect it to a reliable power source like a small generator or a charged battery using a wire. Once powered, open the turret's inventory and load it with its specific ammunition, which is usually Acorn shells. You can typically load up to 200 rounds. Confirm the power light is green, indicating it's ready to operate. Now let's configure its targeting. Interact with the turret to open its settings menu. Here, you can specify what types of enemies it should prioritize, such as flying creatures versus ground-based threats. You can also adjust its engagement range, perhaps setting it to a maximum of 25 meters. Remember to set a friendly fire exclusion zone to prevent accidental damage to your own structures or companions. Finally, maintenance is key for longevity. Periodically check the turret's durability and repair it using common crafting materials like sap or plant fiber. You might also consider upgrading it. Some turrets allow for enhancements, such as adding extra armor for increased resilience or improving its internal mechanisms for a faster firing rate. Keeping it in top condition ensures continuous base protection.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.